Hey, welcome to the video. I'm going to show you really quickly how to change your snippet. And I know that we talked about what a snippet is in the very first video that you watched, but I'm really going to actually need to show you. This is your snippet, this entire section right here, okay? And you need to figure out how you're going to change this because when it goes into Google and Google index it, when they crawl your website, they're going to be looking for your snippets, okay? So here you have a title. This is your title. And then underneath your title, you have your meta description or your description. And this basically is going to tell the people, what that website's about. And then underneath that, you obviously have your link. Okay, so this is a snippet right here. And how you change that is you're going to need to download a plugin. So go into your dashboard right now through WordPress. And then I want you to go down to where it says SEO. Or I'm sorry, no, we need to install the SEO. We need to go to plugins, hit the down arrow, hit add new. And it's going to allow you to do a search, and we're going to do a search for Yoast, and that's Yoast, kind of like toast but with a Y. And then just hit search plugins. Install now. Mine says installed because it's already installed. I already have it installed. But you hit install now next to the one that says WordPress SEO by Yoast. Make sure it says that identically. You don't want to get the wrong plugin. Okay, and then you're going to hit activate after that. Now I can't show you that on my screen, but that's the next screen it would take you to. And you just hit activate, and then you have the plugin. And when you have the Yoast plugin, you'll see it on your dashboard. Okay, so really quickly, what I'm going to show you is how to change your snippets using your Yoast plugin. Anytime you make a post, and I'm going to go into one of my posts right now so I can show you this, Yoast is actually going to be within your dashboard. So I'm going to edit this post right here. And if I scroll down underneath the posting, you'll see this is Yoast. You have your title, your meta description, and then you put your keyword that you're trying to focus on. Okay, so just like over here, when I showed you earlier, your snippet, okay, that's what this is used for. You're going to change it, your title, your meta description, your keyword, and it'll all appear just like this in Google. So what you need to do is figure out, well, what's the title? How do I make the right title? Whatever keyword you're focusing on, and you can learn more about that in another video for keyword optimization, but whatever keyword that you're actually focused on, you're actually going to put in every single post that you do, you're trying to optimize on a keyword. So in this case, if I put free SEO training courses, that's going to be the keyword that I would like to focus on. So what I can do is I'd want to make sure that it was in somewhere in my article. This is just code because this posting is just a video. If I click visual, you're going to see that it's just a video on YouTube. Okay, I'll go back to the HTML code. But if you scroll down, you would just fill in this part right here. You'd put your keyword in the title. If you just hit generate SEO title, it'll fill out the title for you. And it basically just puts your title that you had above in, but then it follows it with the name of your website. Okay, so that generates the SEO for you. It's pretty nice. Your meta description, again, I'm just going to paste the same part into my meta description because it's the keyword I'm going to focus on, and I could paste the keyword that I'm focusing on here as well. Then what I'm going to do is basically hit find related keywords because I'm going to add some tags in real quick over to this section over here, and Yoast is going to give me some relative keywords that I can add, and I can just basically pull those keywords and add them in to the side over here. Now what you do want to add tags. Tags just tell the reader or the search engines what that post is about. So it's important. I like to put a few different categories in. Search engine optimization. Maybe the search engine optimization spelled wrong. It doesn't really matter. Whatever people are searching for, Yoast is going to pull that. Also at the bottom here, you'll notice right here, this section. Basically, what this is going to tell you if you're ready to publish this posting. It's going to say, yes, the keywords in the article, yes, the keywords in the page title. Right now, you can see it's not in my page URL, okay? because I haven't published this post. And then it's also not in the content. And that's because it's a video content. I'm just showing you basically how this plugin works. But you would put your information in until you had all solid green all the way down. That would tell you that your keyword is in one, it's in your title of your post, it's in your post itself, okay, and then it's in your meta title, your meta description, and it's also the keyword that you're focusing on. When all that stuff is correct, you'll have nothing but solid green bars. Also, it'll tell you if you have it in your heading more than once, it would say 2 times instead of one. If you had it in your title more than once, it would tell you 2 times instead of one. So basically, that's how Yoast works. And every time you make a new post, just simply add your keywords in. Put your description in, which I just usually put the keyword in that I'm focusing on, which in this case is free SEO training courses. And I always paste that into my meta description, and I follow it up with something like free SEO training courses that will teach you SEO training quickly. Oops. And then basically what you can do is when you're all done with your post and you've actually written your article, which should be about 500 words long or 400 words long, once you put the article in here, you figure out what your keyword is and you want your keyword in the title. Once you've done all that and you've got all solid green bars, then you can hit update. And basically that's just going to make sure that you're ready to go. Also with your SEO settings, this is important that you would need to know. With search engine optimization, the first thing you do with your WordPress blog, and if you're paying me to operate your blog for you, this video is kind of pointless for you because I have a $500 package and I do all the work for you. There is a lot of work to search engine optimization, article writing, that type of thing. So if you haven't already, you can click the Contact Us button. And basically get some more information, and we'll set you up with your own money-making search engine optimization blog. But once you're done with that, then you hit update, and just like that, and I'm going to show you an example. If I go to, let's say, I've got my, okay. If I come down, I'm in the first place ranking for one of my customers. They have a purse forum, and if I show you the snippet real quick, it says purse forum. Check out our online forum. Purseforum.org is an online fashion magazine and purse forum. Purseforum.org. So you can see I use the keyword in here. I've got purse forum as the keyword I'm going after. So I got purse forum here, purseforum.org, and then purse forum and also within the URL. So all three are lit up, they're all green, they're all solid, and that's why I'm on the #1 position for that keyword. But if I come back into this, again, all you have to do is hit update when you're done with your post. Every time you make a post or you add a new page, just do that. Just come in and do your Yoast at the bottom. Make sure it's done. With any page, post, publish, anything that you're going to do, make sure you always use Yoast before you actually complete it. So that's today's section. It's about SEO plugin by Yoast, and I showed you how to install it, how to use it. So just use it. Every time you make a post, just add the information in below. Just scroll down and fill this information out anytime you make a publish, anytime you make a new page, and that's it. And you'll have your content being ready for the search engines the way it should. So if you have any questions, again, you can always email me, socialblog@aol.com, or you can call me at 517-614-9393. Thanks, guys, so much. Again, God bless. Have a great day.